Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create today. Let's take a look at it. It's nice and you see the effect is very pretty. Let's see how we can create that. The first important thing about that is that we need to create the template, this picture. So let's see how we can create that. We need to create this, and after creating that, we need to add this thing. And after adding this, let's increase it in size and create a copy of that and reduce its size. And it's nice, okay. And bring these two and align them center. Align it center, align it center. And then combine them. You have the shape you want and then color it black. And after coloring black, you created this shape. Okay, I'm going to use the shape that I created already because I do some more modification on that. Now you have the text. You put the text here. Also, you need this thing to have it. This text, I'm going to copy them. But the texts are all here. This is something that you can easily create, a rectangle and a text in it. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to copy this slide and select this. You see, there is a problem. The problem is that we need to select this and bring it to front. Now, copy that. And bring it here. Okay. You see, we need to do what? Now, let reduce its size to go to this space. And then let's bring it in. And then copy that and do these things more times. And then set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready. Look like this. You see in the first, when you set the transition to the morph, everything is ready. Okay, I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice day.